Welcome back, friends. Are you considering starting a faceless YouTube channel? But do you know which types of YouTube channels can be monetized nowadays? You may have come across numerous tutorial videos demonstrating how to create 1,000 videos within a few hours or minutes. But believe me, these kinds of videos and channels are no longer monetizable on YouTube. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video. I'll guide you through understanding the types of videos and channels that can monetize on YouTube, as well as crucial mistakes to steer clear of for a smoother journey ahead. The perfect recipe for a successful start. Now I'll unveil the top 10 highly demanded YouTube niches that are unfortunately no longer eligible for monetization. I'll delve into the reasons behind their disqualification and provide actionable solutions to monetize any niche on YouTube effectively. The first niche I want to address is compilation videos. These involve stitching together humorous short clips from various sources, such as famous movie scenes or sports highlights like football or cricket, etc. If you're considering or already involved in this niche, it's time to reconsider your approach. You may have noticed some YouTube channels engaged in similar content that are monetized. However, this might have been before the policy changes, as YouTube's policies evolve over time and YouTube always fire and demonetize such channels. The second niche I want to talk about is nature videos with background music. People often watch these on relaxing channels or because big YouTubers recommend them, but they might not know the risks of making these videos. Some YouTubers might be tricking others into making similar videos for more views. We might start making these videos using free sites like Pixabay and Pexels, but later realize we've been fooled. If you want to make money with these videos, it's important to use your own music and footage for better chances of monetization on YouTube. The third popular niche I want to mention is the quotes channel. I've tried it myself, but ran into a problem called reused content on YouTube. What this means is you can't just copy stuff from Google and talk over it. For example, if you collect quotes from famous people from different websites and speak them out with text or animations, YouTube won't allow it. To avoid this issue, don't copy directly from Google. Instead, do your own research and write your own stuff. The fourth trending niche is using AI voiceover. Can you earn money with AI voiceover videos on YouTube? Well, it's a bit tricky. If you try to use AI voices from companies that don't allow it for making money, it can hurt your chances of making money on YouTube in the future. These companies give YouTube the info they need to spot these voices easily. To improve your chances of making money, it's better to use paid voiceover services for your videos. I recommend 11 Labs because it's cheap and has realistic human voices. The fifth crucial niche is AI cartoon videos. If you've looked into YouTube automation, you've probably seen many big channels recommending making trending kids or story videos using AI or specific apps for animation. However, it's not as simple as it sounds. YouTube has become stricter with its rules, demanding that creators offer value for viewer engagement. Currently, no single platform provides high-quality animation videos, but hope is on the horizon. Nowadays, if you're serious about making animation videos, it's essential to learn tools like Maya, Blender, and Adobe After Effects to create top-notch animation content. The sixth significant niche is the gaming channel. If you're recording your gameplay and uploading it to YouTube, adding your own voiceover is crucial. Otherwise, your channel might get rejected for monetization due to the reuse content issue on YouTube. Adding the commentary with your own voice increases the chances of monetization. Without it, your channel may not qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. The seventh crucial niche is the reaction videos. You might assume that making reaction videos is simple, and I once thought the same. However, it's not just about moving your head, hands, and face in front of the camera. You need to react properly, talk about the content, provide value to your viewers, and engage your audience throughout the video. I hope this clarifies the topic of reaction videos for my dear viewers. The eighth significant niche is motivational videos. Many new YouTubers simply compile clips of famous motivational speakers, do minimal editing, and upload them to YouTube. However, this approach is a waste of time and won't lead to monetization. If you're serious about working in the motivational niche, you need to develop the skills required to be a motivational speaker. Record your own videos, sit in front of the camera, and speak passionately about motivational topics to truly engage your audience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to us.